Assalamu alaikum, welcome again. Today I'm going to make chicken jalfrezi. So inshallah, let's start making chicken jalfrezi. So here we have all the stuff that you need to make the chicken jalfrezi. So we have the chicken, we have onions, a red onion and a standard onion, two peppers, half, one red and one green, and the spices, which we're gonna do a list. So first you add the ginger and garlic, then add the onion, half onion. Okay, so now you add the chicken. Give it a good mix. When your chicken changes the color white like this, then it's time to add the spices, all of it, all of the spices, and give it a very good mix. Chop your peppers. You could either do it into long slices like so, or into squares, whichever you prefer. I'll do both. And that's your square. It's best to use two colors. That should do. Okay, that's your peppers and your onions. So when your chicken gets to this stage, you add it in. You know, there's so many ways of cooking jalfrezi. I mean, some people like fry this before adding it to the chicken. I mean, you fry it, you add tomatoes to it or tomato puree. But we like it without the tomato puree or the tomatoes. So we're gonna put it without any tomato or tomato puree. So you add the peppers, the onions, and I've added 3 green chilies, which I didn't mention. Give it a good mix. So basically you add the peppers when the chicken is 3/4 cooked, approximately. Okay, so it's going to be served with plain rice. So here is the rice we soaked. That's the jalfrezi done. We just garnished it with fresh coriander. Thank you for watching our video, and if you haven't subscribed, please hit this subscribe button. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.